Welcome to an update video. Do you see this? New videos every Wednesday? Well, that is no longer because I am not adhering to an upload schedule anymore. So, that gives you more incentive to click the bell notification for when I upload a video. Yes, I do have one coming very soon. It is about sourdough bread. Also, I'm gonna be moving away to college, so I am still trying to figure out what videos I can do at college. So, if you have any ideas what I should do, please comment them down below in the video. You know my merch store? Well, it will no longer be there. I am working on a more official website to where you can actually buy even more designs, better designs, and a more professional website. So I will be taking that down, so if you ever find the link, I don't think it will work anymore. So stay tuned for that to come. So yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about anymore, but if you have any questions, I can probably answer them in the comments below. So thank you for watching this update video. I will see you in a brand new video whenever that comes out, because I am working on quality over quantity. Yeah, so